What's up, you guys? It's Shakir Imani here. I'm back for another video, and this video is a long time coming. Today I am trying out the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Don't Shrink Elongating Curling Gel, and I am trying she out for the second time. I don't know how long you have been around, but I did try this out, I want to say maybe like 2 years ago, and it was not a success at all. And y'all made sure I knew that. The comments that I still get to this day, y'all would have thought that some of them bought this stuff for me with their own money and it cost $1 million. Like, my bad. But no, I wasn't going to try it just because, like, even though a lot of the comments were very, like, you know, constructive criticism and really actually trying to help me out and figure out how to make it work, a lot of the comments also were just kind of like, one of them told me that it didn't work for my hair because my hair was too nappy.
Inappropriate!
One of them told me that it didn't work for my hair because back then my hair was too short. I didn't realize that in order for a product to work, your hair had to be a certain length. And then a lot of the comments, like so many of the comments, which really like wasn't going to have me try it again, which was actually a turn off, was saying that I had to use everything else in her line in order for this product to work. Like, that is such a turn off for me because, as you guys know, I use a whole bunch of different products in my wash day, and I like a product that can stand alone. Like, yes, a product is going to work better with the rest of the products in its line, but it doesn't need the rest of the products in its line in order for it to work. You feel me? No? We still not here? Alright. But ultimately, guys, like, I know that 2 years ago, my wash and go skills were just like not even on a scale of 1 to 10. It was like a -8 at the time. So now that I've gotten a little better with my wash and go, you know, just a little bit, and I know what to do and what not to do to make things work, I said, you know what, let's try this again. And so I would have a foolproof wash and go with this. Based off what you guys said, I used everything else in her line from my wash day. I used the Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo, the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask, and then last but not least, which is still in my hair right now, I used the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. I'm not putting anything underneath or on top of this just to give it, you know, a fair shot to see what it can do by itself, okay? It smells soapy. I like it. Alright, so y'all know how I do my wash and goes now. I have the leave-in on, which I really like how, like, y'all can't even see that the leave-in is on my hair. But y'all know I'm heavy-handed, like, I put a lot on. So it penetrated my scalp, it penetrated my strands really, really well, and I appreciate that. So I feel confident that my hair is nicely moisturized, ready for this next step, and it won't be, like, drying with this gel. I have my spray bottle right here with really hot water, low porosity, you know, and I just like to make sure my hair is super wet when I do a wash and go. Okay, take the gel, take about that much. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed, so I'm trying not to be. And if you are new here and you've never seen my wash and go technique, pretty much I just do raking with a little bit of shingling, and listen, it works. It works for all my other products, so I don't need y'all being here talking about, oh, my method didn't work. It works. It didn't work for this. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit more back here and at the ends. There we go, there we go, there we go. Alright, here is what we're looking like. I think I'm gonna shingle just a little bit more. Just a tad. Just a tad. Rake it through the back here a bit more. There we go. Alright, I'm just gonna keep on going, and then I'll come back to you guys when it's throughout my entire head. Alright guys, here we are. I'm all finished. I decided to go with a middle part. Hopefully that looks nice. But I'm really liking the way it's looking right now. Back. So I like it. It's a little white, like it's a little, you know, white in certain areas. I'm hoping that, you know, that doesn't mean flakes are going to happen, but we'll see. Again, when it's wet, it really doesn't mean anything. So I'm gonna go sit under my hooded dryer for like an hour or so, however long it takes to dry. Hopefully it doesn't take longer than that because I gotta go soon. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all dry before I stretch it. All right, see you soon. All right guys, I am all dry, like every single inch is dry. I feel no wet spots. And this is what we looking like, okay? Straight from under the dryer. Let me get a little closer. You see them curls poppage? Like, look at that. Hey, she looking a little sweet. She looking a little sweet. And Zara, you know, we're gonna have to chop this up too. I didn't know what I was doing back then, clearly. You know, I don't really see a difference as far as it being elongated versus like other gels that I've used. As far as it being like, you know, completely dry without me stretching it yet. But I honestly, like, I took that out of my mind a long time ago. Like, I don't really believe in those. But yeah, I'm feeling she right now, you guys. It has a very nice hold without it being super crunchy and like hard to the point where it hurts, because I've had gels that did that and it was hard for me to even stretch it. And I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. So, you know, thank y'all for making me have to try this again, because I am feeling, I'm feeling it. Is it in my top favorites? I don't know yet, but I am feeling it. I also love that I have 0, 0, 0 flakes. I don't see any. I don't know if y'all see any or if I'll see any when I finish editing the video, but I don't see any flakes, any white at all. So, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and stretch my hair right now. I would do that on camera, but I have like no outlets for my dryer right now. I will tag a video up above so you guys can see me stretching my hair, so y'all know what I do when I stretch it. And then I will be back when everything is all said and done. Ooh, child. Oh my goodness. Oh my. I need to like fluff the back out, but looking real good right now. Okay. Yeah, I don't have any flakes. I'm looking at my shirt. I have like maybe like 1 or 2 flakes on my shoulders right now. I can never get the back of my hair looking the way I want it to. You know, I think I just need like a cut. Like I need my hair to be shaped. I think that's what it is. I think I'm just not happy with the shape anymore. But as far as this Aunt Jackie's don't shrink curl elongating, let me just put my foot in my mouth. We up there. I like it. I do. I really like it. I think the only thing is now I am going to try it without the rest of the Aunt Jackie line. I do like the rest of the products that I use. However, like I said, I feel like products should be able to stand alone. Of course, it's going to be better with the rest of the products, you know, within that brand. But I want to see how it does by itself, especially since like I kind of sort of know what I'm doing now. So I am going to try it again, but I am very happy with my results. It's like a very nice hold without being too crunchy. It's, you know, it's giving body, it's giving life, like stiff wear, you know. And then I don't have any white spots. I'm still looking. I don't see flakes, you know, so I am happy. So thank you, whether you had constructive criticism, whether you were actually trying to help me out, or even if you was, you know, being a little on purpose. I appreciate you guys, because it got me to try out not necessarily a new product, but a new product again, and I'm feeling the results. I feel like I need to go back to all the products that I used to try back in like when I was first starting to love my hair again, and like retry them now that I kind of know what I'm doing, because I might have like push things to the side that I shouldn't have pushed to the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if Aunt Jackie's is a staple for you. I don't know if it's a staple, but you know, she definitely gonna be in my product stash, okay? Let me know if there are any products that you feel like I need to retry just to see. You know, I'm here. Like, I'm open-minded. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the family, and I will see you guys for my next one. Bye.